In this episode, we have 1, a Sony PlayStation Custom with LED, 2, the Killer Bees, and 3, sending love to all the women around the world. And for you customizers, stick around to the end where we discuss how to use multi-layer stencils. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Orlando. Welcome to Wall of Hype, where we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. We have links to all featured artists and their work in the description below. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Here we have a special design by All Shoes Matter. The shoe, an Air Jordan 1. The design, the PlayStation 1s. Now, if you guys don't know All Shoes Matter, this guy does amazing things with shoes. Right off the bat, you can already see we have a little square opening. That's a little monitor. And then on the back of the shoe, where the heel is, I see some buttons, right? But knowing this guy, we got some LEDs in front of us. So let's talk about the shoe coloring real quick. We have the basic logo of the PlayStation using those different colors. Just above the Nike swoosh, we have a nice blue lining. I think that's a great touch instead of just having 2 simple colors and everything else. And then what that looks to be is either the pearlescent silver or some mixture of that gray. Nonetheless, that's a beautiful color with the second color of the black, right? So very clean shoe, but what makes this better is in the video. So let me show you guys that now. We have a mini TV screen right on the front of the PlayStation, and on the back you have the 4 buttons: the X, the square, the circle, triangle, each lit up. Overall, this is a beautiful piece of artwork. All Shoe Matters is always taking his shoe craft to the next level. He ensures that this is all wearable art as well, so you can put those kicks on your feet, go outside, and just show off and have fun. Great work as always. Can't wait to check out what's next. All right, here we have a fun Wu Tang design with your man, Mache, and Method Man. The shoe is going to be an Air Force One. The design, well, let's check that out right now. You can tell he's already excited. Now look at that. You got the honeycomb pattern design just covering that shoe. You got the yellows, the brown. Let's jump into the actual shoe. Up close, you can see that hint of, it's like a brown, like a dark brown. And then you got the pattern with the yellow laces. What's fun and what's cool about this, at first I knew and I saw the B, but now if you just zoom in, look at the wings. That's funny. We got some weed wings on these Killer Bees. Beautiful touch. We got different angles. Looks like Mache teamed up with Tical. So you got that custom strap. We can also see on the tongue tag. Yep, on the tongue tag we got a custom design. I'm not sure if that's the Killer Bee, Wu Tang, or what. Can we get that? Nope. Yeah, we can't really see that. But you know, Mache always goes all out on his design. But we also got something on the heel, but we can't see that either. Got a custom insoles with the bees. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you can see there's looks like a weed leaf. Yeah, I probably should have done my homework. Upside down looks like the W. You know what? You guys help me out. Tell me what that is. Place it in the comments below. Let me know if you guys see what I'm missing. But outside of that, We got a cool, fun shoe for Method Man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Great job, Mache. We can't forget the ladies. LJR Customs. Celebrating International Women's Day on some Air Force Ones. The design, you guys can see it. Beautiful, bold, different races, ethnicities. The celebration of women all around the world. To those ladies close to me in my life, my mom, my wife, my sisters, all the beautiful ladies that I know in my life. And for those that are listening, we celebrate you, we celebrate your strength, and we celebrate the love that you've shown everyone around the world. This is for you all. Great design, LJR Customs. Can't thank you enough for putting this together. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. Great job, and keep painting. Now on to the bonus content. Here we're going to talk about how to use stencils by DeJesus Customs. This one is a fun Marilyn Monroe block design. Now you can either have done this by hand, but I love the way that he's using stencils to get this done. So let's look at the video. You got the outline with the eye, and then he's going over it with another one. He did a paint, going over to cover the paint job, and then adding more colors, removing some of that stencil, and then he's going to go back in to give it that extra outline and feel. See, with the black. By no means is it that simple. There's dry time in between, and then you can see Toothpick Gang doing a touch-up. But this is a great inside look on how to use stencils to do multicolor blocking, right? It's just reusing, covering it up, and then, dropping the colors one step at a time. There was, sure, a process to get this put together. You have to think about this before executing, but nonetheless, DeJesus has been doing this for a long time, so I'm sure he understood what needed to get done to get those colors laid out properly. So let me know what you think about this. That's it for this video. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Comment below and let us know if the bonus content was helpful, or which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.